It's day 2. Just woke up.
Okay, we just hit mile 11. It's pretty quiet out on Highway 31, upstate New York, headed toward Rochester. We've got a walking dinner tonight. Too many miles to do, not enough time, you know what I'm saying? Hey everyone, Alexander Peckoff here with your Aggie weather forecast. There is a 100% chance that it is raining. I'm currently running across New York. It's like a big thing I'm doing for charity. Yeah, and I just think it's really awesome. So I wanted to share you in the video. So this woman thought I was pushing a baby in the rain, so she so nicely pulled over.
Hi! Have fun! So where did you start? And where?
Niagara Falls.
And where are we going?
Montauk Point.
Oh, how cool!
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for stopping, okay? I probably shouldn't have left the stroller there.
People are gonna think you left the baby.
Yeah, people are gonna think I left the baby.
Well, I'm glad you're having fun at least.
Thanks for stopping.
Yeah, it's not a problem.
So nice. Oh. We just hit the marathon mark. Gonna stop for some cinnamon toast crunch. Okay, it's starting to rain a lot now. It is pouring. The one good thing about it pouring at night is that there is zero temptation to stop and set up camp. So I will probably get a lot of miles done tonight. We're cooking. We're getting a lot done. Getting a lot done. I stepped in a puddle before. Back to it. All right, super pumped I made it to Rochester. It's not raining anymore, and still feeling decent, so we're gonna keep pushing. You don't know it, but I know it. All right, we just hit mile 40, and yeah, I don't know how far I'm gonna go, but I'm just gonna keep on running. I'm in the zone right now. You know, once I pass 40 miles, it's just like such a big weight off my shoulder. And now I just gotta close in, get as close to 50 as possible. Smooth sailing the rest of the way, everybody. Love you forever and evermore. I'm just a fool in love with you. Alright, just set up camp in this parking lot. So the total mileage for the day was 46.29 miles. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm gonna pass out on the floor here, wake up tomorrow and do it again.